Poke holes in a bottle with a fork, and it will completely transform your home. I've been using this trick for years. Fabric softener isn't just for keeping clothes soft. It can be used in a simple way to make your bathroom smell fresh all the time. Start by heating a fork over an open flame for about 10 seconds. Then, make a few holes in a plastic bottle of fabric softener. The plastic will soften, allowing you to create perfectly sized holes. Now, just place the prepared bottle inside the toilet tank, submerging it in water before closing the lid. Each time you flush, a small amount of softener will be released, leaving your bathroom with a pleasant scent. This easy trick keeps your toilet smelling fresh without the need for extra air fresheners. Try it once, and you'll never go back to old methods. Pour a tablespoon of salt into the toilet. The result is amazing. It's a simple and cheap way to make a bathroom cleaner. Prepare a cup or jug. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, then 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Next, take a lemon and poke a hole in the middle with a toothpick to squeeze the juice directly into the jug with the mixture. This combination is incredibly versatile, especially for bathroom cleaning. Add less than a glass of water and mix everything well. Using a funnel, pour the solution into a spray bottle. This homemade cleaner is a perfect alternative to chemical products. Spray it on the toilet, especially where limescale builds up. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a toilet brush or sponge as usual. You'll notice stains come off easily, leaving the toilet bowl clean and stain-free. Apply this to your brush. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive method. It turns out that this foam has a brilliant use in the toilet. Take an ordinary brush that you probably already have at home, remove it from the container, and then squeeze the foam into the container generously. Place the brush back into the container so that the foam covers its entire surface. This prepared brush is a lifesaver. The foam acts like lathered soap with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it excellent for cleaning. Use this brush to scrub the toilet bowl as you usually do. It works great on yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave everything for 15 minutes. After that, flush the toilet. You'll immediately see how it shines. The bathroom will have a pleasant fragrance that lasts for several days after cleaning.